temples in the Hindu religion signifies their definitions as they tend for everyone's faith. But Hathi Kheda Thakur Temple, which is situated in East Singhbhum district of Jharkhand, is famous for worshipping the elephants.
हाथी खेदा इसलिए नाम जो
Our ancestors used to farm here and the elephants frequent the village but have never caused any damage to life or property here.
पड़ता है दरमा का आसपास पठार पड़ता है.
Situated in the Dalma Wildlife Sanctuary, the village is surrounded by wild elephants all through the year. But it's nothing short of a miracle that when other surrounding villages have been witness to elephant rampages. It is said that in the old times, elephants had sparked havoc in this area.
हम लोग का
In past days, elephants often used to sneak into our fields and villages because of the Dalma's proximity to the forest and used to destroy our harvested crops.
करते थे.
ये मंदिर का जो एरिया है पूरा ये दरमा क्षेत्र में पड़ता है.
And this area
जंगल
was
से घिरा हुआ
surrounded
है.
by forest.
उस
The
समय
elephant used to destroy
ये गांव में जो लोग रहता
people's
था,
crop in past
तो
days.
वो लोग का जो फसल वगैरह सब उगाते थे वो हाथी ने नष्ट कर देते थे.
In a bid to thwart the Jumbos from destroying crops, the priests started worshipping the idol of elephants made of clay. Locals believe that after this, elephants stopped attacking villagers and did not destroy their farms. The name Elephant Kheda, which means the removal of elephants.
ये जो
We
ठाकुर
believed that these idols used to chase elephants and thwart them from the village areas. Therefore, worship started with the same name, Hathi Kheda, and this place came to be known as Hathi Kheda.
With the passage of time, the temple has become so famous that people from several places come to this temple after their wishes are fulfilled. There is a tradition of sacrificing sheep along with tying chunari and coconut. The special thing is that the offerings here cannot be eaten by women. Taking the prasad home is also not allowed here.
हर मंदिर का एक परंपरा नियम अनुसार चलता है.
The tradition of every temple follows the rules. Our forefathers have already made a rule that it is forbidden for women to eat prasadam here.
महिला को प्रसादी खाना
However,
वर्जित है.
no one knows why women cannot eat the prasad of this temple.
I know that women are forbidden to eat prasad here, but do not know why it is forbidden.
It is said that eating the prasad here can upset the mental balance of women.
मतलब पागली जैसे हो जाता है.
हमारी
According to our ancestors, this is banned for women.
हुआ है.
People have deep faith in the Hathi Kheda temple. Many devotees also come here for tonsure rites.
We had a vow. We come here every year. Earlier, my brothers used to come, but this time, myself with my whole family came here.
Attacks by elephants has been reduced due to this temple. This can be just a coincidence, but it is remarkable to see how these people have chosen to pray. Bureau Report, ETV Bharat.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.